Hello, everyone. Today is September 21st, 2023. This is the Kubernetes Storage SIG meeting. So we are going to go over our 1.29 planning spreadsheet. The first one is recovering from resize failure. There's Hamand here. Yang, do you know?
I guess there is no update.
Oh, okay. Actually. And the next one is provision volumes from cross namespace snapshot and PVC. Michelle, is there an update on this? Michelle, if you're talking, you're on mute.
Oh, sorry. This is the cross namespace.
Yeah.
Yeah, I spoke with Takafumi, and they said they were interested in pushing the reference grant cap. I'm not sure if they opened a PR yet, though.
Okay. Thanks. And the next one, CSI voting house. This is to add E2E test. So I did talk to Ashwari. I think she still is trying to fix something in her dev environment. So it's still work in progress. And the next one is change block tracking. Let's see, do we have anyone from this? So we there's a cap, and then there's a CSI spec PR that's been reviewed. Ben,
so the CSI spec chain at least is in good shape. The cap is on my review queue, and I haven't gotten to it yet.
Thanks. For the CSI spec, did James get back for the reviews?
I haven't looked. I mean, there have been several reviews. I didn't see who all has checked in. I just know that my comments are all resolved.
Oh, okay, great.
Favorably. So I expect we need more reviews, but it's looking pretty good.
Okay. Thank you. And next one is this rewrite once access mode. The new one, rewrite once pod. So we are moving this to GA. Is Chris here? Or Michelle, you want to give an update?
Yeah, I think the PRs are out, and so I think it's just waiting for approval. But yeah, no major changes.
Okay, so we have all the tests needed, right? Is it just to flip the feature gate?
That's right.
Actually, okay, so all right, thanks. The next one is enable privileged containers for Windows to replace CSI proxy. Menu, do you have an update for this?
Yeah, so I think the last time when we talked about this, we were trying to figure out what the next steps should be. I think it seems like, based on the discussion that we had, that there may be like a reset that may be needed in terms of trying to understand how we want to approach this. I think Ben in particular had some questions around what the model should be for security, etc. So at least for now, I think we will probably go back on this and kind of start looking at it from afresh and see what makes sense. And at some point, we will probably come back with a proposal on this one and circulate that with the rest of the community. I think it's unlikely that it's going to happen in the 129 timeframe though. So I would say that this is probably more long-term at this point. So
or it's designed. Yeah.
Just to be clear on my feelings, like I don't want to sabotage this project. I think people should have the choice of doing either privileged containers for the CSI drivers or using a proxy. I think they're both.
Yeah. No, I
perfectly
think I'm not blaming you for sabotaging Pen. I think the concerns that you raised are valid. We've had some internal discussions around this as well in terms of what makes sense, and it doesn't seem like there is any clear consensus yet regarding which approach to take. So probably worth doing some more investigation and trying to figure out what is the right step here. So
I think also there's sort of just a maintenance challenge here too, right? While it would be great to support both, I think realistically we don't really have the manpower to support
agreed
both of them going forward.
And I think we want to kind of hopefully come up with a solution which is mostly agreeable to everybody in the short term at least, and then if there is a longer term solution in future that we need to work towards, we can think about that. So
Okay, thanks. And then we have a few items that's for future releases, the driver removal. And next one, always owner reclaim policy. So unfortunately, Deepak has some family issues he has to take care of. So I'm not sure if we can actually meet the deadline. So I'll just say may not be able to do it. I mean, we may need to move this one to the next quarter, but I'll leave this here for now. Next one, quality of service for volumes. Oh, that's the volume attribute class. Sunny, Matt. Is anyone? Sunny's not here. Michelle.
I believe. Yeah.
Go
ahead, Michelle.
Yeah, I'll ping Sunny to make sure the cap is updated. I believe we just need to update the milestones.
Okay. Thank you.
So I believe that there were 3 issues that were part of the implementation, one of which was being handled by Connor from AWS. So Connor, I believe, has already sent out a PR for his issue. I think, I believe we're still targeting 129, if I'm not mistaken, although I don't know the latest on this one. So
yeah, that's right. We're gonna target 129. Yeah, so I think first step is we need to make sure the enhancement is properly tracked by the release team. That requires a couple of updates to the cap milestones. And then for the actual implementation, I think Sunny is planning to start reviewing everything that people have created so that we can move forward.
Okay. Yeah. So no, there's a API PR that is out for review. So Connor is working on which part? The controller change or?
I'll have to dig up the exact PR. Hold on.
Oh, yeah, no problem. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Next one is PV last phase transition time. So we're moving this to beta.
So the
Yeah.
gap is close to merge. It has even PRR approval, and there is implementation PR on review.
Okay, it's good progress. Thanks. But so we don't need any new EQ test for this, do we? Or is it is already
No.
there?
We already have it with tests.
Okay. All right, thanks. Next one is storage capacity scoring. Michelle, did you have an update on this?
I think we've been having active discussion. And so yeah, it's still ongoing.
So does Cap
Oh,
does he want to go for alpha or just do design for?
that's a good question. I have not reached out to them to see.
Okay. Thank you. Next one is one expansion for stateful set. Do we have Hamont? Does anyone know? Okay. I don't know if there are any.
No, I don't think there has been any progress since last time.
Okay. Okay, thank you. And next one is non-graceful no shutdown. We're just using this to track the integration test PR. So the PR author Ashashi is addressing the comments. Next one is auto delete PVCs with the stateful set. So I don't know if Matt is here. Michelle, are we moving this to J or not? Do you know? Did you check with
Oh,
Matt?
yeah, I checked with Matt, and I think the thing we're not sure about is compatibility with operators. And so he was looking for more feedback, both positive and just any sign that someone is actually using the feature.
Oh, you mean like existing Kubernetes operators? Can they
Yeah,
actually use
because
this feature?
yeah, because the way the feature was implemented is it started adding an owner reference onto PVC objects that are created by stateful sets. And I think Matt was not sure if that could interfere with any operators that might also be putting owner references on PVCs.
Oh.
And so he was just trying to look for like anybody using this feature successfully, and I think he's been having some difficulty with that.
Okay. Maybe people are not really aware of this yet.
Yeah, I guess well, I mean, we've done like blog posts for the feature.
Yeah.
So I'm not sure what else we can do. Like maybe we
Right.
can try to make sure it's mentioned in like any of the KubeCon SIG update sessions.
Yeah, okay. We probably should we should probably add that, right? Normally we only talk about things that are targeting something, but maybe if something is already complete, we probably should add something to bring awareness. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe I would say maybe add this to say storage upgrade KubeCon. Okay, so maybe we are not really targeting J then, if that's the case. Okay, I'll leave this here for now. I don't think we have targeted this in the cap issue itself yet. So, oh, what happened to? Oh, that's the next one, right? Let's see this.
Yeah, I think we can resolve this.
Market, all right. Okay, so next one, this is added by Ben. Add an option to disable 6-minute force detached timer. Is the PR already merged?
I don't know if this one has merged. This one actually turned into two separate issues.
Okay.
There was this issue about the 6-minute timer, which, as far as I can tell, is still under discussion. But there was another bug found, which was around temporary failures becoming permanent when the CSI driver got unregistered temporarily, and that was fixed, and that fix was merged.
Okay. So this one, the PR is just still out for review?
I'll have to check. I just
Okay.
don't remember. I've seen continuing activity on it, so that suggests to me it's not merged, but
Okay.
it could be that it has and they're backporting it. I don't know.
Okay, thanks. Yeah, I remember seeing one PR from Rocket that's trying to get the backported, but I do not remember. Maybe that's this.
I think it's for,
other bug fix.
the other bug fix. Yes.
Okay. Okay, so the next one, cozy bucket quota. I don't know if Blaine is here. So he brought this up in the cozy stand-up meeting. So there was an issue opened, and there is also a cap submitted for this one. So this is like getting the quota of the number of objects in a bucket, but the object itself actually doesn't really have a Kubernetes API representation. So this is up for review. That PR. Next one is the CSS car all-in-one. So Mauricio talked about the scene, the last meeting. I don't know if Mauricio's here. Okay, looks like Mauricio's not here. Are there any more update? Michelle, do you know?
No, I don't think
Okay.
there has been any new updates since last week.
Okay. Oh, here. Let's see. Let's see. Proposal is well received. So proposed target here won't be completed 1.29, but we can start tracking status updates. Okay. So, okay, so we have it. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's all we have on this spreadsheet. So coming back here. Just a reminder of the coming deadlines. Production readiness, that has a September 28th. That's the deadline. And the cap freeze date is October 5th. So if you have a feature targeting in 1.29, so here are the dates that you should pay attention to. And see this back as we are still tentatively trying to cut a release end of September and trying to get the CPT CSI spec PR in before we do that. So I don't see any other issues added here. Are there anything else people want to discuss in today's meeting? If not, then that is for today. You get more than 30 minutes back. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you.
Bye. Oh, is there?
Thank you.
Okay, thanks.